Advanced automation and robotics are transforming industries by increasing efficiency, precision, and safety. These technologies integrate artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to create intelligent, self-learning systems that can perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention. Advanced automation robotics. 1. Industrial automation. Smart factories use robotic arms, automated guided vehicles, AGVs, and AI-driven systems to optimize manufacturing and logistics. 2. Collaborative robots, Cobots. Robots designed to work alongside humans safely, improving productivity in industries like healthcare, automotive, and electronics. 3. Autonomous systems. Self-driving cars, drones, and robotic process automation, RPA, in business operations. 4. AI machine learning integration, enhancing robots' decision-making abilities for predictive maintenance, adaptive manufacturing, and personalized service robots. 5. Soft robotics, flexible and adaptive robots designed for delicate tasks such as handling fragile objects or assisting in medical surgeries. 6. Humanoid service robots. Used in customer service, elderly care, and hospitality, these robots are designed to interact naturally with humans. 7. Biotechnology medical robotics. Surgical robots, robotic prosthetics, and exoskeletons improving healthcare and rehabilitation. 8. Smart warehousing logistics. Automated warehouses using AI-powered sorting, picking, and packing systems for e-commerce and supply chain management.